So let's walk through a simple practical roadmap which will help you in progressing in this journey one step at a time. Start with the fundamentals by learning the basics, that is the concept of object-oriented programming, getting comfortable with Java syntax, the control flow, the exception handling. Practice by writing small programs like calculator, number guessing application, or even as simple as an address book. Practice clean coding, build good habits early in your journey. Use clear variable names, write helpful comments, which gives you an idea about what your code does. Keep your code modular with small reusable methods. Readable code is maintainable code. Will build real projects. Apply what you learn by building some real world applications. Try creating a simple to-do list manager, a simple banking system, or a simple REST API using Spring Boot, which we'll see later on. Projects is what turn theory into a skill. Learn libraries and frameworks. Spend some time exploring Java libraries like Java Collection Framework, libraries for handling files, the input and output, multi-threading, networking. Then gradually move on to powerful tools like Spring Boot, Hibernate to build industry level applications. Follow best practices and join communities. Learn how to structure your code using design patterns, improve performance, and stay updated with Java world. Engage with forums, explore GitHub projects, and become part of the Java developer community so that you get to know a lot of different and interesting things what other developers are doing. And as a final tip, just start building. There's no perfect time to begin. Just start coding. The more you build, the more confident and skilled you'll get. That brings us to the end of this introductory chapter. Start small, stay consistent, and keep growing. Every small project, every small code you write is one step you take closer to becoming a proficient Java developer. In next chapter, we are going to explore interesting concept of the Java ecosystem, the JVM, the JRE, and the JDK.